The black mamba has the reputation as being the most aggressive snake in Africa, and there is some evidence for that. Several historic accounts show that mambas trapped in a hut that could escape will kill multiple people or bite multiple people. There's also an account of a mamba that had its own territory set up, and people that would pass by underneath this tree, the mamba would come out of the tree and bite them. A lot of the people died. That snake was subsequently captured by a professional, and once it was out of that territory, there was nobody getting bit or having any problems anymore. Mambas will escape when they have the opportunity, but they can and will be aggressive. The most dangerous situation a person can be in with a black mamba is if you're standing between where it wants to go, because it's going to go right through you, and if it has to bite you to get through you, it'll do that. I know of one story where a film crew really got a mamba upset. That mamba chased the film crew to their vehicles. The film crew jumped in the vehicles, locked the doors, the windows, and that mamba was banging at the window trying to get into them to bite them. So that was an extremely aggressive individual snake.